another quick video of my vending machine, see what sold and what didn't. Alright, let's check it out and see how much money I made. I still need to move the vending machine from this corner right here because a lot of customers don't even know it's here, and put it over there or somewhere over there. But let's see how much it made. Let's see see the Pringles sold. Alright, let's see how the drinks did. Again, nobody bought Cokes. Everybody bought Sprite. Water doing. Still some waters, but I do need to fill it up. Let's see the Gatorade. Definitely gotta fill up the Gatorades. There's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing. I just counted it and it made 31 for the week.